Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on this subject. And this is, I said in the last video that you could do a lot more with the inside, so I just took the layers and I just nudged them over my 10 inches, and then I filled in this one section with the Smart Fill tool. Now, it would be real nice to 3D them all, but this is very hard to do because there's no rotation on a 3D object. So we're gonna rotate it first. So Control D, make a duplicate, double click on it, move your rotation to the center, and then we're going to rotate it at 30 degrees. Control D. It's a shame this has to happen this way, but you cannot rotate because there's no degree mark on that. Now let's see, hopefully I've got this group together, and I do. I'm going to nudge it over. Well, we can leave it right there. Now I can take all these at one time, and that wouldn't be a bad thing, but it is, your black layer was already showing through this. So grab them all and put no fill and put a gray line. Then you're going to have to click on each one of them individually and do the contour. But this, I mean, it's really worth it because it's going to add a lot of pizzazz to your drawing. Takes just a little bit of time, but it'll be real well worth it. It'll really add some detail, because before it was just going to be solid black. And as you can see, I can barely see them. You probably can't see them at all. Just one more. And then I would safely group these together. Control G. Now all we have to do is move everything back. And I'm going to use my left arrow key. And look at that. Now move this up. And then move this back. And it's really surprisingly the bottom layers don't engrave. I'm going to go out to the shop right now and run this because I think it's going to be spectacular. Because you're going to get some really neat effects in here with these black lines. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.